Have you been asking yourself, where the heck are all the buyers? Are you putting off selling your house because you're worried no one's buying because of where the mortgage rates are? If so, I want you to know this. The latest data shows that there are plenty of buyers still out there, and they're still purchasing homes today. And here's the data to prove it. The Showing Times Showing Index is a measure of how many buyers are touring homes. And the graph here actually uses the latest numbers available and compares them to the same in previous months in normal years, just to show you how active buyers are right now. And as you can see, we'll kind of get out of the way for you so you can kind of see it there. June 2023 numbers were stacked alongside the typical housing market at this time of year, and it's very clear that buyers are still active and actually a lot more than they normally are. So that's good news. And if you're wondering how this could possibly be true, it's because they're getting used to these higher mortgage rates and they're just kind of accepting the new terms as a new reality. In fact, the chief economist over at Realtor explained that interest rate hikes continued to further cut buyers' purchasing power, although they appear to have adapted to higher mortgage rate environments. So it's simple. Buyers are always going to need to buy, and those who can afford to buy and move at today's rates are doing so right now. So really the key takeaway for you is that while it is true things have slowed down from the frenzy of the last couple years, it does not mean that today's market is still at a standstill. And the reality is buyer traffic is very strong, even with today's mortgage rates. And plenty of buyers are still out there making moves. So why delay your own move when there's clearly a market for your house? Absolutely, they're out there and they're interested in your house and there's not enough inventory for them. So the bottom line is, don't put your plans on hold because you're worried no one will buy your home. The opposite's true, and there are more buyers active now than normal. So connect with the real estate agent, get your house ready for market to sell, and make sure it's the best first impression that you possibly can for these eager buyers. Hope that's helpful, and I'll talk to y'all soon.